Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy and sell on VT markets. So the first thing that we're going to do is research for a symbol that we want to trade in. So let's say we go here to symbols, click here on cryptocurrency, and we want to buy Dogecoin. Then we click here on show, click on the cross, and now if you scroll down here at our market watch list, you will find right here Doge. Then right now we throw this to the chart, and now we are having here the Dogecoin chart. Then after this, you can, if you enabled one-click trading by going to option and have one-click trading right there, you can simply click here on buy, and then you buy it for the volume that is standing right here. And if you click here on sell, you sell it for the volume right there. But if you want to do it more specific, you click right here on the plus icon for new order, or what you can do is double click right there and then fill in right here the volume. You can create a stop loss right there or a take profit right there. And then after that, you can click right here on buy by market or sell by market. So let's do buy by market. And this works exactly the same if you want to sell it. So then click here on sell by market. So this is in a nutshell on 2 ways how you can buy and sell right here on VT markets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.